Unlocking the meaning of successor, your key to English mastery. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that is widely used across various contexts, successor. Understanding this word is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about grasping a concept that is essential in discussions about leadership, inheritance, and even technology. Let's unlock the different facets of successor together. At its core, the term successor refers to a person or thing that follows another in a specific role or position. But it's not just about following. It's about taking over responsibilities, roles, or positions that were once held by someone else. Think of it as a relay race in sports. The successor is the next runner who takes the baton and keeps running. Historical succession. In history, a successor often refers to a new king, queen, or ruler who takes the throne after the previous monarch passes away or abdicates. This can be a son, daughter, or a nominated individual, depending on the country's tradition. Business and organizations. In a company, a successor might be the next CEO or manager who is chosen to lead after the current one retires. This is a crucial process in ensuring the company's continuity and success. Technology. Even in technology, we talk about successor models or versions. For instance, the successor of a smartphone is the next model that's released, which usually has improved features or capabilities. Personal succession. On a personal level, one might refer to a successor in terms of legal inheritance, where properties or titles are passed down through family generations. Let's put our word into action with some examples. After the CEO announced her retirement, the board began the search for a successor. The prince was deemed the successor to the throne after the king's reign ended. The company released the product's successor, boasting advanced features and better performance. By using successor in different sentences, you can see how versatile and essential this word is in English communication. Remembering successor can be fun. Think of the prefix suc as success, which means a good follow-up or continuation. And cessor sounds like cessation, which means coming to an end. So, a successor takes over when something else comes to an end. Understanding the term successor can significantly enhance your English communication skills, especially in contexts involving transition or continuation. I hope this exploration of successor has been enlightening and that you'll confidently use this term in your conversations and writing. Keep learning, and you'll soon be the successor to the title of English Pro. Until next time, happy learning!